In this tutorial, I'm going to show you as an administrator how you can add, edit and delete employees along with associating those employees to their logins. So you go to the administration section, employees and employee details. You can add the employee's detail. Once you've added the employee details, you can go to the Login Management screen under Administration, Employees, and Login Management. Find the employee. Click on the pencil on the left to add the username and password. You can select the user group they belong to, put in their email address, once you've put in the username and password, you can click Save. And now they can log into Abtrac with that email and password. To remove an employee, it's basically the same, just in reverse. Once you've found the employee, you can click on the trash can next to their name. So now they can no longer use those login details to get into Abtrac. However, they're still marked in Abtrac as a current employee. If you want to make that employee non-current, you go to Administration, Employees, and Employee Details. You'll find the employee. Now this time you don't delete them, you click on the pencil to edit them, and you'll make them non-current by taking the tick out of this tick box here. Making an employee non-current doesn't remove any of their timesheets or any of their entries in Abtrac. What it just does is it just makes it so that employee can no longer log into the system, or no new timesheets or entries can be entered against that employee. If you have any questions after seeing this video, get in touch through www.abtrac.com or email us at support@abtrac.com.